Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix the 7-Eleven verification code not received issue. First, check your mobile network or internet connection. A weak signal can delay you or prevent the verification code from being delivered. Next, make sure your phone number or your email address is entered correctly. If you're expecting the code to go through the email, go ahead and open your Gmail app and then go to the three-line option in the top left corner and then check your spam and trash folders as the messages may have been filtered there. Next, wait for a few minutes because verification codes can sometimes be delayed due to network, traffic or server issues. You can also tap the Resend Code option to request another verification code again. If you still do not receive it, contact 7-Eleven support to verify your account details. That's how you fix the 7-Eleven verification code not received problem. If you found this video helpful, do not forget